I'm going to show you the settings we have turned on the main channel right now. Okay, so in YouTube Studio, in settings, we have currency set to Canadian dollar. Just set this to whatever your actual currency is. Channel, we have the country of residence, so mine would be Canada. We have the channel keywords. Now, these really don't matter. I said this in another video. These really don't matter. Now we have audience, so this would be not made for kids. Only set this to made for kids if it is truly made for kids. Now, don't show potentially inappropriate words. Automatic dubbing. YouTube's automatic dubbing is getting like really good. I would recommend just keeping this on. Advertise. Disable interest-based ads, I don't touch that. Clips, allow viewers to clip my content, leave that on. Now the quality, keep this on. Third-party training, I turn that off. You want all of these to be green and say enabled. Standard features, intermediate features, and advanced features. Upload defaults, I don't touch the title. I do add a description, but actually I'm going to change this. This I have set to public. I schedule it instead of it going public right away. Tags also really don't matter. Customization screen, I'm going to show you everything in this video. We have the banner, we have the logo, we have the name, the handle, we have the channel about section. Now, video watermark, always put a video watermark and put it on for the entire video. Here's the layout that I use for my channels. Add section. The first thing you should do is channel trailer. The first thing you should do is channel trailer and then spotlight for returning viewers. So I'm going to put this on the newest video. Anytime I upload a new video, I update both of these. I update the channel trailer for new viewers and the spotlight for returning subscribers or returning viewers. We're going to do the For You section. I have a new upload section. It's a playlist, a single playlist. Next, we're going to add popular videos. And after that, I would recommend doing a featured channel section.